And let's start it. Yeah, and I can do it. More score. Perfect. My snake is going bigger. Uh, I can go higher. Oh, whoa, whoa. Ah! Just got it saved. Getting it to the new one. Oh, okay. Oh, and oh shit. Game over. It was fun playing this game. Do you want to add this type of game on your Shopify store? This video is for that. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add this game on your store without any paid app. It can be a really fun and interactive part for your users as well, just like I was having fun playing this game. We were building a store for our customer and they were selling comic sort of stuff which is game related, and they gave us the request that they wanted to have some kind of interactive game on the homepage, so when user land to the homepage they can play with the game or something. It's pretty basic stuff, right? Just like I've shown you guys. So we created this section which we embedded on the homepage. That is basically a Shopify section, just not a raw HTML JavaScript game. So we created a section in order for them to change some settings, change color schemes, so they can also, it can also fit in to the layout of the Shopify homepage. So I already showed you the game. You can add that on your store completely for free. All you have to do is just watch the complete video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I have created a lot of free sections for the Shopify store, for Dawn theme, for Horizon theme, which you can install completely for free. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let me show you the setting of this section and how you can install that on your store completely for free. So this section comes with the settings here. So I have this home page in the backend open, and you can see that we have these settings showing up. We can change the game title, start now. Let's say if we change it to start now, right? So as you can see, our text is now updated. So it's updated here, right? So you can change whatever you want. You can also change the color scheme, and if you want to hide or display the input player name, you can do that. And we have these game modes. So if I go back to the game and press this X end game button here, you can see that we have option to add our player name, and we can change the speed from slow, normal to fast. And if I play it in fast speed, I've started playing the game again. So that's fun. So that's how what you can do in this section, right? And we can change the placeholder here. We can change the big Ford score value. So after a few dots, we had a bigger dot, bigger food with this value to increase the stores. We have the option to change the colors as well, right? And you can change the section background color. You can change the food color. So that's for the normal food color, that's for the big food color, and that is for the snake body color. And here we have the button game and all of these settings, right? So that's a pretty fun thing which you can add on your store, and that was a request for our customer. We created a store for our client where they requested this feature to add, and so we created this section and wanted to show you guys how you can do that on your own store as well. Now let's start adding that on the store. I'm gonna exit my customized settings, and then let's go to the store backend. And once you land on the theme section of your store in the Shopify backend, you can just add the code. It's currently on Horizon 2.0.1, which is a little older version. So you can see that it's 1.0.4 current version, and the latest version is 2.0.1. So let's install the fresh Horizon theme, or this time let's try it on the Saver theme, right? So all of these themes are the same code base, just a different styling. So all of these are using Horizon based theme, just a different styling. I'm going to use this Saver to see how our game section looks on this theme. Okay guys, our Saver theme is being installed, and while this is being installed, if you guys are new to Shopify and want your store for just $1 a month, There's a link in the description. If you sign up through that link, you will get your store for just $1 a month. And if you want to add volume discount to your store, we have created an app just for you guys, which is really affordable, actually free almost, by the name of Big Bulk Discount. So that's the app where it will help you add, it will basically add the volume discount feature, which is not available in Shopify. So make sure to try that out. It's free trial available for 7 days. So you can use that completely for free on your production stores, on your stores for free for 7 days. And if you think it's adding value and increasing average order value, you can keep using it. Otherwise, simply install, right? Okay, let's get back to our tutorial. Saver theme is just added now, right? And I'm going to click on publish now, then click on publish again to publish our theme. And our theme has been published, which is the latest version as of today's. Shopify has been releasing themes really fast, really rapidly. The things are changing too fast. So I'm not sure how long it's going to take for this tutorial to go obsolete, but let's see. Okay, our saver theme has been published and it is running. Now we're going to install this section. Here is the link of the code, which you will find in the YouTube video description. No need to sign up any newsletter. Nothing I'm asking in return from you guys. Just a subscribe, comment, and the like. And click on this link in the description to find the code. Now we will use this code to create a new section. Let's do that. Click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. By the way, this section is going to completely work fine in all of the themes. No matter you are using Horizon based theme or Dawn based theme or any paid theme, it's going to work completely fine. Okay, if it is not working, let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely help you. Okay, let's create a new section by clicking on this section arrow here. So if you click on this arrow, right, it will show this add a new section. Click here to create add a new section. And I am going to name it snake. You can name it whatever you want. Name really doesn't matter here. So I'm going to click on done. And now let's remove all of the old code, which is pre-existed. And I'm going to simply click on this copy code button and paste the code here. Perfect. Once the code is pasted, click on save. And that's it. Our section has been added to the theme. Now let's test it out. Click on these 3 small dots to open the customizer, theme customize. Okay, our theme customizer is open. I'm going to click on add section button here and then add section. Let's search it snake. You can see that we have this snake game section. Now it's currently showing up here. Let's add it below the hero slider image. Perfect. Let's click on save and then go back to the home page and hit refresh. Here we go. Our snake game is ready to roll. So if I just add in the name, player, and make it fast, click on play game, it will open up in the full screen mode. Also, it works completely fine on the mobile version. We have checked it as well. Make sure to try it out on the mobile version as well and play the game. Okay. Okay, guys, enough playing. That's it for the video. Until next video. Have a great day.